So if you want clients on LinkedIn, this is step number one. Before you do anything else, this is the most important step in order for you to fill up your schedule with paid clients, and that is create a client getting profile on LinkedIn. Now, why is that? Well, according to research, it takes less than 0.2 seconds for your dream client to look at what you got and decide whether they're gonna stay and do business with you or they're gonna bounce, they're gonna leave. So I'm gonna show you a simple copy and paste formula that takes literally minutes to apply that will change your old LinkedIn profile to a new profile that flips the switch to your dream client's buying mindset, where they literally crave what you offer and in turn pay you, where they see you as the solution to their problems. You ready? Let's get started. So my name is Peter Feza. I'm the trainer of coaches since 2005, over 8,000 one-on-one hours as a professional coach. I've seen well over 13,000 LinkedIn profiles, and I can honestly tell you one thing. LinkedIn profiles are selfish in nature. That's right. Back in the old days of LinkedIn, people would go here and it was like this real businessy type place where people were wearing these bad 80s suits and looking all serious. And on LinkedIn, people posted like their resumes. They listed all of their, accomplishments, the schools they went to, and all of this information. And as if people really cared about that. People don't care. I hate to break this to you if this is like new knowledge. People don't care about you necessarily. They care about you. But we care about ourselves. We care about what we want, what we desire, what keeps us up at night. And so in order to flip this switch to your dream client's buying mindset, we have to make your profile about them, about their problems, but not all of their problems. We only have to pick one problem, the problem. And this is what I call their critical pain, okay? So if you solve the number one thing that they're after, they will crave what you offer and in turn pay you. So let me show you what a critical pain is and how to identify it for your business. So this is what I call the pain pyramid, okay? This is all the pain that any human at any one time or your dream client experiences at any one time in their life, right? Now here's the deal. 90% of all the pain that we experience at any one time is annoying, but it's not urgent, right? So you don't want to market to any of these pains. Now here's the deal. There's the top 10% of all the pain that we experience at any one time. Now, 7% is urgent, but it's not the most urgent, right? Now, if you want the sweet spot, if you want to be able to name a pain that is so critical to your dream client, they will be like, huh? Right? They will get their buying mindset flipped on, and they will start to crave what you offer if you answer this one pain. And this is the top pain, and this is what we call the critical pain. This is the thing that keeps them up at night. This is the thing that they want solved more than anything. Now here's an example. My dream client's a coach, right? So what are some pains that they want solved? Well, they want to create a brand. Okay, great. They want to be able to get money and get clients. Okay, awesome. They want to be able to, get massive attention online. Awesome, I can help you do that. And they also want to be able to speak on stages and learn how to do seminars. I teach my clients how to do all of these things, but what do you think is their critical pain? The number one thing that keeps them up at night? Getting clients, getting freaking money. That's what freaking coaches need to do in order to survive, in order to spread their message. They need this more than anything. Of course, I teach and train my coaches how to do all of these things, but the first thing that I get my coaches to do is just to fill them up with paid coaching clients so we can start doing all that other stuff. Does that make sense? And that's what you need to identify. What is your dream client's critical pain? So now that you have their critical pain all ready to rock, let me show you how to actually create your client getting profile. This is the how, the tactics, the step-by-step. This is the formula right here. This is it, right? So steal this, copy and paste it, and put it right on your LinkedIn profile. This is the number one sentence on LinkedIn, and it is your profile statement, right? You make it about them. I show your target market, who you serve, how to get the number one result that they get with the service that you provide. That's simple, right? Now here's the deal. The number one result that they get is, guess what? It's solving their critical pain, right? And when you show how to get the number one result they get with the service you provide, you are linking your service as the solution to their critical pain. So here's my profile. My profile changes quite a bit. So this is what it is this week, right? But I show target market coaches how to fill up their schedule with paid coaching clients, right? That's the number one result that I provide on LinkedIn, which is the service that I provide. I crisis-proof your coaching business. Now this is the about section, right? What I do is I show message-driven coaches how to crisis-proof their coaching business. No more beating your head against the wall, no more shiny object syndrome, right? I'm creating an emotional connection. And then I go, this is how it works. And then I show them how it works, my services, my why, right? But here's what I want you to understand. This is to create, the profile statement is to create curiosity. This is what gives them more information. Does that make sense? Let me show you another example. This is my client, Cheryl. She doesn't have any more room for any more clients, 0 clients. Why? Because she successfully links her service as the solution to their problems. I help smart, stressed out professionals, which is her target, make job choice decisions with confidence and clarity. Boom! That's it, right? That is the critical pain that she solves. Now check this out. No more sleepless nights, no more putting off decision, no more, right? She's creating this emotional connection with her future dream client. How it works, which is exactly what she does. I make confident decisions. She helps people make confident decisions, right? When you feel afraid of making the wrong one. This keeps professionals up at night, right? And then her services, her why. So to sum it up, when we switch the us profile into them profile, that starts the process of them craving what you have to offer and in turn pay you. Now, if you thought this was valuable, I have a free Ultimate LinkedIn Profile Blueprint PDF, and it's right below this video. You click a button or you can go in my little about section and see a link. And what it does is it gives you way more detail on how to actually craft the perfect profile that fits you. It's completely free, so just sign up with your email address and I'll send it to you immediately. Now remember, the skills that I taught you today are gonna help you take the dreams that you've created in here come to life. But most importantly, somebody else's life is absolutely depending on you learning these skills. My name is Peter Feza, and remember to spread your message and change the world. I'll see you next time.